Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can post long photos on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this is one of my posts, and this is pretty much the largest, sort of longest format of image that I could find. So I'm going to explain to you guys how I did this. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to your gallery and find the photo that was shot vertically, and then you want to crop it to one aspect ratio which is specific. It's either 4:5 or 8:10, depending on which aspect ratio your phone allows. It's the same aspect ratio, it's just marked differently on different devices. If you can't, then you can use online tools or other tools to crop it to that size to specifically post one sort of resolution or aspect ratio. And once you have your picture on your aspect ratio, then literally all you have to do is go to your posts and then select the image you want. Let's say I want this one, and if you want to post the full picture, then you can just hit these arrows here in the bottom left of the picture, and then as you can see, it posts the entire photo. Or you can even manually zoom in and zoom out to your desired size or aspect ratio. Once that's done, you just need to proceed with posting the picture, and that's literally all you have to do. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.